Well, this is the 9th lockdown cottage pie. It's just been taken out of the oven in the last half a minute or so. Extremely hot, as you'd expect. It's got organic parsnips, which are British as you'd expect. British carrots. Slight variation on last time, where I think it had tomatoes in it. And a few other ingredients, but you can mix and match, you can alternate it and vary it slightly. And of course make a vegetarian option. And it has Aberdeen Angus minced beef. And of course the potato and the grated cheese on top. It's the 9th cottage pie to be made during lockdown. This is the 3rd lockdown. Cottage pie here. As you can see, just cut into it here. So one portion now. It should, if you've got a family, obviously can last a good probably couple of days or so, but in my case it's going to probably last about 5 days. You can see I've just served a portion there. Now I should say there is carrots, parsnips and broccoli in it. You can put other ingredients in it, but certainly that's the ingredients, as well as the minced beef, the Aberdeen Angus minced beef there. There we are, from Scotland, Aberdeen Angus, and quite a nice bit of spud there as well, which bolstered it out there. There we are.